Over the last decade, patient engagement has become more important along with the democratization of health sciences. Patients have started to be engaged not only in a passive role, but also as co-researchers. It is now more widely recognized that the life experience of patients leads to knowledge that complements the expertise of researchers by providing relevant and different insights on R&I. Using patients' knowledge increases the impact of R&I on the outcomes that matter most to patients. The Multi-Act project foresees patients, as well as their families and caregivers, as key stakeholders in the health research and innovation process. Hence, the project aims to contribute to the development of science with and of patient input. Science with patient input occurs when patients meaningfully and actively collaborate in the governance, priority setting, and conducting of research, sharing, and application of the results. The science of patient input occurs when data of people living with the disease are used to evaluate the impact of research and innovation. How does Multi-Act innovate in engaging patients in R&I? Multi-Act provides guidelines and tools for patient engagement in health R&I. These include a Multi-Act patient engagement roadmap and criteria, a patient engagement plan template, and metrics to measure the performance and effectiveness of the engagement. The innovation of the Multi-Act patient engagement strategy lies mainly in three key aspects. 1. The innovative Multi-Act governance model for collaborative research initiatives and the engagement coordination team. 2. Training focused on how to empower patients and stakeholders to cooperate and to bring their experiential knowledge into the research and innovation continuum. And 3. The importance of understanding and measuring the impact of research and innovation on outcomes that matter to patients. Who should use the Multi-Act patient engagement guidelines? The Multi-Act patient engagement guidelines are intrinsic to its framework alongside its governance model and its co-accountability impact assessment model. The Multi-Act framework is intended for multi-stakeholder research initiatives conducted by health research funding and performing organizations or RFPOs. The beneficiaries can be RFPOs, academia, industries, policymakers, regulatory agencies, patient organizations, foundations, and more. The guidelines can be used at different stages of the research. To start conducting R&I with a multi-stakeholder and co-accountable approach, to adapt patient engagement strategies to the Multi-Act model, and to evaluate the value of patient engagement actions based on the Multi-Act proposed model and metrics. Want to learn more about Multi-Act? Visit multiact.eu and our social media channels.